Hello, this is Dihessa Bodjona, and I am coming to you today from beautiful Simi Island in Greece. And in this video, I am going to share with you two surprising ways that you are leaking energy and weakening your power of creation without even knowing it. Stay tuned. What are these two things that I am talking about? It is number one, overthinking. Number one, thinking too much. Oh my God, I used to be the queen of this, right? I used to be the one who would take eternity to make a decision on anything, trying to analyze every single point of it to see whether maybe this is the wrong choice or maybe this is the right choice. And sometimes in the past, sometimes I'll ask this person, what do you think? What do you think of this? What do you think of that? All that actually, how I see it now is that it is so much mental activity. And think about it, when you think about it in your own experience, whenever you have felt like you had two choices to make, and then you keep going thinking, oh my God, I don't know what to do. Does it not weigh on you? I know it used to weigh on me. It used to weigh so heavy on me. And the moment that I make a decision, whether it's one way or another, it doesn't even matter which way, it just feels like, oh, finally, I don't have to think about it anymore. That is consuming so much energy. And that is actually making you leak energy. And if you've experienced this, you'll see that a lot of the times, if you sit on one decision for a very long time, not only does it weigh on it, but you can actually feel it heavy physically being heavy on you. And so that's the number one thing, is overthinking, or thinking too much about all the things in life in general, actually. Because what? Because it's so much mental activity, and it drains us energetically. So what to do instead, right? You might be asking, Dihessa, what do I do instead? What do you do instead? What to do instead? I know for me, again, on these videos, what I really try to my best to do is to share my own experience with you. I know that when I was thinking too much, it was also like an energetic condition in my body, because energy was all scattered and I had so much energy up here. So what to do is, instead of thinking now, I feel more. Right? Instead of thinking now, I feel more. And what makes me feel more now is how I have activated a lot of energy in my gut instead, right? If you've ever heard the expression like follow your gut, the thing is that when I was so much in my mind, I couldn't feel my gut. And so by really activating my gut, it gave me the ability to now make one choice or another, like very quickly, without it weighing on me for so long or so heavily. How do you activate your gut? One easy way to start activating your gut is really just by tapping your lower abdomen. You can also start, right? This is an exercise that I do a lot. What it does is that it warms up your gut, right? It kind of activates your gut, so that your mind also, what it does is also brings energy down, so that you can start feeling your gut more and more and more. I'll have exercises below this video which you can access to experience this for yourself, if you were to choose to experience that for yourself. For me, ever since I started doing that, one huge awakening that I've had is that really never ever is there any wrong choice. Right? I can't believe I spent all that time thinking, what do I choose, or overthinking things. And then at the end of the day, all that matters is that we make that one choice. If it takes us where we want to go, then great. If it doesn't take us where we want to go, then we just course correct. And just course correct along the way. And along the way, we learn a lot. All right, so that's the number one thing that you may be doing right now without knowing it. That is leaking your energy and weakening your power of creation. Because the more energy you are leaking, the the less energy you have to intentionally create, right? And intentionally manifest. So what's the second thing? This is actually very, very big. It has been very, very big in my life. And so I wanted to share that with you. The second thing is, let's say, for example, now you have no problem making a choice, right? You choose that, oh, this is what I want, right? This is what I want. And then tomorrow you get distracted by something else and you're like, oh, maybe I don't want that right now. And so our mind keeps going, okay, I want it and I don't want it. I don't want, and I want it, maybe not. I want it, but it's not possible, right? The moment we say to our mind that it's not possible, this has been my experience. It's like, as soon as possible, as soon as I say, oh, I don't think this is possible. Is this even possible for me? The moment we start saying that, it's as if we're telling our brain, we don't want this. Right? And our brain gets confused. What do you want? You say you want it, you say you don't want it. You say you want it, you say you don't want it. So energy keeps going back and forth. Energy keeps going back and forth. So what happens is that we actually scatter our energy. And the more we scatter our energy, the less likely it is possible for us to create what it is that we want to create. Given that we at that moment we're not even sure, like consciously we keep saying that this is what I want, this is what I want, but then unconsciously or with our actions or with our thoughts we keep going like this, we keep going back and forth, and so we leak energy like that. And so what do you do with that? Right, what do you do is try your best possible. Try your best possible to, when you make a decision, to make the decision, really not, it's not really about other people. Make a decision with yourself to stay on the course, to keep saying, even when things seem like they're not working out, keep trusting your brain and saying to your brain, this is what I do all the time, even when it seems like the sky is falling, even if it's against all odds, from other people's perspectives, from other people's point of view, it may look like it's impossible. From even your evidence, from the evidence that's showing up in your life, it may look like, oh, this is not even possible. It's not going to be happen. But if you keep telling your brain, if you keep telling yourself and keep focusing on, even though I'm not sure how this is going to happen, this is really what I want to focus on. This is really one thing that I am committed and determined to create in my life. And if we do that, if you do that, I have been amazed where everybody thought it was impossible, a way was made, where like from other people's perspective it looked like Dihessa is crazy. Incredible things have happened. So that's what I'll say in this video is at the end of the day, the choice is always ours, no matter what. No matter what it looks like from the outside, at the end of the day, we are the ones creating our own life, co-creating our life. But the matter of choice is a big one. The matter of, this is something that I didn't know for a long time in my life. And now I realize, yes, it's like, I look at it as either our true selves or angels or God or the universe, whatever it is that you believe in, that it is there for us, for you and for me, and it's waiting for us to say, hey, this is what I would like to experience, this is what I would like to create in my life. But oftentimes we are not doing that. Oftentimes we let outside circumstances really choose for us, and when I think about that, I think it's very sad actually. I think it's very sad. All right, let's get off this video on a brighter note. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I send you tons and tons of kisses from Simi Island in Greece. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post videos just like this one. Bye.